Hi, I'm Joan Lok. I would like to paint something different in the next workshop. We will paint epiphyllum. What is epiphyllum? Epiphyllum is actually a night blooming cactus, and it is from Central or South America. And the flower is very magical because it only blooms for a few hours at night. In the morning, it will actually die, and the next day it would not bloom again. So each bloom would only bloom for one night. Because it's so magical, we call it the Queen of the Night, and there are also a lot of different nice name about it. And what we are going to do is in the workshop, I'll explain the structure of the flower, how it actually grew out from. It's not really from a stem, it's actually from a blade of leaf. The flower is so magical that the way it gathers, it almost looks like a lotus, but it's not. It looks like an orchid, but it's not. So in the workshop, we'll explain the structure, explain the unique way that it grew out from, and then how to use calligraphic brushwork to depict the leaf, and also how to use freehand outline to work on the structure of the flower, and then how to color it, and then add all the details. If we have time at the end of the workshop, what we'll also do is to also paint it in the boneless style without the outline. So this is a really magical flower. It only blooms for one night, for a few hours. So I think it will be fun to paint, and it's a real challenge. So I hope to see you in this workshop painting the epiphyllum, a very unique flower. I hope to see you in the workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.